For my term project, I made a variation on the board game Settlers of Catan. On the main screen, you will find a help button, which gives you a short set of instructions which you can use to kind of understand how this game works, or you can visit this link, which gives you a PDF of the actual instructions. Then we can play the game. When you play the game, you're put into a special setup phase, which only allows you to buy settlements and build roads. The rest of these buttons are grayed out because that means that you can't use them. You will also notice that you're starting the game using 20 of each resources. That is just so we can make the tutorial go faster. You will also know that this game is normally played up until 8 victory points. Today we're playing up until 5, simply so the game can move faster. So now that the setup phase is over, all of these buttons are active and we can roll the dice, and we have one of each resource which we're landed on. So we can buy a road, and then buy a settlement, and then we can change one of these settlements to a city, and you will notice that while we do that, it decreases each of our resources. And then you can buy a development card, and then see which development cards you have, and you notice that you got a knight card because there's one knight card here. You can click the question mark to see what each of these mean, and you can play the knight card, and you will get one random resource from your opponent. In this case, we got an ore. So we'll end our turn, and it's player 2's turn. They can buy a road, and a settlement, and they can buy a city. And they have 4 points, so let's have them buy several development cards. So, as you saw, this point counter went up. This is because we have 2 victory points. Let's keep buying development cards. So now you will see that we have a road building card. When you have a road building card, you're allowed to build 2 roads. What other cards do we have? None of these. Let's keep buying cards to see what other ones we can get. So we have a Year of Plenty card, which allows you to pick 2 resources from the bank, so we can get 1 ore and 1 wheat, and that closes out. What else do we have? We can play a Monopoly card, so we get all of the resources from the other player. So we'll take brick, so we got a lot of brick. You will see in the next turn that the player 1 does not have any points, does not have any brick. And then if you play the knight card, which we went over, if you play the knight card, you get 1 random resource from the other player. And then since we have 7 points, we know we won, and that's the end of the game. And if you want to play again, you can close and then restart. Also, this board will randomly generate each time you restart the game. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching my video on how I made Settlers